Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add digital noise in Photopea. Let's get started. First of all, open your image, rasterize image, right click, convert to smart object, then again right click, rasterize. I already rasterized to this image. Go to filter tab and noise, add noise. And from Garcia, click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment,